Hey guys, welcome to the Millennial Microgreen channel, and today we're going to be talking about what is a microgreen. What are microgreens? So I'm going to be giving you my definition of what is a microgreen. Hope you like this video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on videos that come out in the future. Alright guys, so each weekend when I go to the farmer's market, I always get asked this one question: what is a microgreen? What's the definition of a microgreen? Today I'm going to be giving you my version of what is a microgreen. So I always start off with asking the customer who if they're familiar with microgreens, because not a lot of people are familiar with microgreens. They will say no, and then I would say, well, you know, any vegetable can be grown as a microgreen. All that means is when they get their first true leaves, which is the first two leaves, their first true leaves, that's when they're known to be a microgreen. For example, radish. This little guy right here, this radish, in a grocery store is considered one whole head of radish. It has the same amount of nutrients as the adult radish, and this little guy right here. So yeah, when you eat them, you probably eat like 5 or 6 at one time. That's just like eating 5 or 6 adult radishes at one time. That's how much nutrients you're getting out of the microgreens. And so yeah, that's my version of what is a microgreen. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.